Well, the LinkedIn feature, Who's Viewed Your Profile, is the perfect feature for being able to answer that question. And we're going to go over 4 key areas that you should take a look at on why you should take a look at this feature. Forecast future opportunities and connections. Let's just call this early warning system. And I say this in this situation, it doesn't involve moving outside of the LinkedIn profile. But if you look closely at the LinkedIn profile and the Who's Viewed Your Profile feature, you can see people that have been looking at you. Well, in this situation, Robert Jones is looking at my profile, and I'm looking at his. I'm like, wow, it's a senior executive at GE. I'm kind of paying attention. I wonder why he's looking at me. We're not connected in any way. We don't share any common groups. So why might he be looking at me? Well, I hate to be surprised in entering a meeting. I always like to be well informed of who I'm going to be meeting with. So at least for a couple of seconds, I'm reviewing his profile, and I'm just asking myself, what if he happens to reach out to me, I kind of want to already know where he might be coming from. So at least in the back of my mind, I'm already kind of strategically thinking about that. Well, sure enough, a common connection, you know about the feature on LinkedIn where somebody can introduce you. Well, a common connection introduced us and said, Robert wants to talk to you. He wants to talk to you about social media strategy. I'm thinking, okay, way cool. So I've already looked at his connection. I react to the in-mail introduction, and Robert and I connect, and we have our meeting face-to-face. I've already cashed his check. It's already created revenue. So again, powerful feature, and this platform really works.